Angel's gonna get it. She just did. Look, she caught it. Where'd it go? Adam's got this. It looks like a tennis racket, but it's a bug zapper, and it electrocutes the bugs.
You know, remember that I forgot to text you this morning and ask you to take my shit off the stove in my cafe.
Way to go, silly girl.
Hey, Chelsea. What's the over-under on sinners?
4,012.5 words.
The same fucking shit I've been trying to cook. I was going to take it off my stove this morning, but then I decided I need to sleep instead of getting up early.
You don't. Have you got to zap a bug yet? I think you can spot it. Where's the protector? Oh man, I missed it. Did you guys hear that zap? Where's the yellow thing that goes over it?
It's right here. Watch this. Max, get out of here. Listen to him getting zapped.
No, he's dead already. It doesn't zap them once they're dead.
Really?
Yeah, it's because there's no liquid in there to conduct the electricity.
Hold on.
There's gotta be a conductor.
Keep recording. There's a bug over by the door, Alan.
Where? Ah! Quit raising it. I want to see it.
I can't get him out.
Damn.
Oh.
Let me see.
There's nothing there. It's down here, I think.
And that's the bug zapper.